Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Allie and I'm so excited for this. It's my first fall video of the year and I get to show you guys what I got in my fall FABFITFUN box. I am so excited and grateful that FABFITFUN has partnered with me for this fall box and sent it to me to show you guys. So I want to show you everything that's inside and kind of tell you a little bit about it. I know it's all over the internet, but to be honest, up until this season, last season, so up until the summer season and now this fall season, I never watched an unboxing video of this because I saw so many influencers post about it on Instagram that I never actually watched a video to see what the products were. But now that I've received my own box and actually looked through it, I'm like, dang, I wish someone explained what these products did. So that's what I'm here to do. And I also have a coupon code for you guys, which I will have everything linked down below. I'll have their link, everything like that, but my discount is LEVIT10 and I'll kind of explain what you get from that. So if you're interested, keep watching. So the reason I'm so excited about this fall box is fall. I love fall, my favorite season. I think it's every Instagram girl's favorite season, like pumpkin spice lattes, scarves, flannels, all that kind of stuff, all the cute pictures you can take. I think fall is everybody, well, almost everybody's favorite season, but also it's a super easy and convenient way to find new products and find new brands that you maybe wouldn't find at Ulta, or you wouldn't take the time to research and find them. And that's why I love this box, because I am a new mom. I have a 1-month-old and postpartum has been great, but finding time for myself or finding products for myself has been not even something I've even considered. I've not even gone into a Sephora or an Ulta in over a month because that's not my concern. But having a box come to you quarterly with products for you, to better you, for just to pamper yourself is such a nice little gift, and it just rejuvenates you, I feel like. So the first thing when you open up this month's or this quarter's fall box is there's an $80 gift card to HelloFresh, which is amazing. And again, something else we can see all over the internet. It's loved. It's America's #1 meal kit, apparently. It also comes with a FABFITFUN magazine, which has my cute Meghan Trainor on it, and it just talks about, it just is interviews, awesome products. Meghan Trainor talks about what defines a badass woman, just all these cool things about beauty and fashion and eating healthy, just career stuff, finding happiness, all this awesome stuff in a small compact FABFITFUN magazine, which I feel like is a nice little touch, just a little extra reading material. Okay, now into the box. I'm so excited. I hear Oakland squawking, so I'm sorry. I'm not trying to rush, but I might have to go get her. So the first thing, and this is the thing that I'm probably the most excited about, because now that I'm a month postpartum, I can start taking baths and stuff, and that is my jam. Baths are my thing. So this is the Harper and Aria exfoliating sugar cubes. It's a juice cleanse. So it's these little sugar cubes that smell like tropical fruit. So you take it into the shower or the bath and gently massage on your wet skin, concentrating on the rough patches. You can use it once or twice a week. They smell phenomenal, and I mean, baths are my thing, so these are my thing. Then we have the Tristique Mini Eye Essentials, a brow pencil, a shadow crayon, another shadow crayon, and then an eye pencil. So nice little brow set. I feel like this would be great to keep in a travel bag, because my husband and I are literally gone every single weekend. We drive and go see his family, or we go down to Utah or whatever. We're always traveling, so I literally have a makeup bag and a toiletry bag that I just keep in our suitcase, because we literally unpack and pack every single week. And I feel like this would be an awesome thing to put in there, because then you always have your eyebrows done. Oakland's crying. One sec. Here, Mom, burp you. Oh, Mom life. Please hold. Dukers, no. I have gained 2 little friends to show you guys. So the next thing, and this is probably the item that I will use the most, like the most frequently, and it'll probably be gone the fastest. It's the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. If you guys have followed my channel for any time at all, you know that my hair has had a journey. I have had short platinum blonde hair, I've had long platinum blonde hair, I've had purple hair, I've had brown hair, I've had short brown hair, I've had medium brown hair, I've had this, what I consider long brown hair, I've had ombre, I've had balayage, I've had everything, I've had high everything. My hair's gone through it, and having a daily hair repair mask or like conditioner is so important, because taking care, like doing like deep masks or coconut oil like once a week is super important, but I think every day putting something on your ends and then on like the tops of the follicles to help stimulate that growth and to help make it like stay healthy is so important. And this is gonna help repair any damage. So this is a leave-in product. You just put it on your damp hair, brush it through, and then like as your hair dries you can start to style it. You don't rinse it out, which is awesome. So perfect for a mom like me who just needs to hop out of the shower, put something on, grab and go, because this is not blow drying. This is air dried hair. I don't think I've done my hair in a month. Sorry, she's eating. I just wash and go. So having a product to put in to help repair some of that damage, I'm all about it. Then I have this Aromatherapy Deep Relax Roller Ball. It's restful and tranquil. And I feel like, at least all the people I follow, the latest craze is like oils and giving your kids oils, helping your husband stop snoring with oils. So this is awesome because I feel like I can dip my toes into it and have a roller ball and see kind of what's up. I am feeding her, so I'm gonna have to do it on this arm. Oh man, that smells so good. So this is to help you deep relax, obviously. You okay? So this is chamomile and sandalwood, and you put it on like your pulse points and you deeply inhale it to help you calm down and relax. I love that. That is awesome. I'm definitely gonna bring it with me and have it in my diaper bag for when I need it, because we all know mama needs to relax. So the last product that I have is this Human and Kind Body Souffle Lotion. It's a full size of it, which is awesome, and it's vegan and cruelty free. It's a super fluffy lotion to help moisturize you, but also like dries really quickly because it's so soft and fluffy. Oh man, it has such a light fragrance, kind of tropically, kind of sweet, but just like it's a very thin, like almost kind of watery lotion. It's not like liquid, but it feels, it's not one of those thick body butters. Like it's a very light, fluffy, I don't even know how to describe it, but I love that. I love how quickly it absorbs. And their little slogan is skincare with a conscience. So I love that. I love that it's vegan and cruelty free. I'm all about that if I can find products. So then I have these Bobble Bar dangly earrings, and they are so cute. I feel like they would really dress up an outfit, but if you're wearing like a flannel, or if you were wearing like a cute fall outfit, like it would definitely like be a focal point. They're so cute. But I also feel like they're really dainty. Adorable. And then we have this Plush brand scarf. It is a ultra soft scarf, and they're not lying. It's navy blue and white. It kind of looks black on camera, but it's navy blue and white, and it is literally so soft. I feel like some plaid scarves can be super scratchy. I feel like they could be soft with a scratchy undertone, but this one is just soft all around. Like you're not gonna get itchy at all with it. Oh my gosh, so soft. Then the last item that I have in my box, I know there's different configurations you could get, but then I got this Kate Spade travel bag. It looks burlap with these little black polka dots and says out to lunch, but it is like that waterproof material. And I love it. Oh my gosh. This has been crazy. I have a squawking baby. I have a dog playing with a chew toy. I'm so sorry. This video is bonkers, but that is my life right now. And I wanted to show you guys what I got in my FABFITFUN box and how I would actually apply it to my life, because I am a mom. Whoa! Do you want to come be with us in the video? I wanted to show you guys kind of how it would be in real life, because I'm definitely not an Instagram mom. I'm not, I just can't. This is my real life. I have a squawking baby who I just had to feed. I have a dog who's under my tripod pushing toys onto my feet, and this is my real life. So I wanted to show you guys how I feel like I'm gonna apply these products and why I love FABFITFUN, because they are real products that I'm actually gonna use. It's not some crazy designer perfume or these outrageous makeup shades that I'm never gonna wear. I feel like they're very affordable, attainable products, but it's so nice having them get sent to you. And that way you can find new products, you can find new brands, new companies, and just try something that maybe you wouldn't try, but once you have it, I feel like it's a very universal product, like everybody would enjoy it. And I feel like the best part about these boxes is that they're only $49.99 for each box, but you get like 8 to 10 products that are gonna be valued in over $200. Like the Kate Spade bag and the bubble bar earrings are definitely worth more than $49.99. But on top of that, you also have 6 more items that you're gonna love and get to try out. So with that being said, if you guys are interested in trying out FABFITFUN and you wanna get their fall or their upcoming winter box, then I have a discount code for you. You can get $10 off your first box by using my code LEVIT10, and I'll have everything linked down below, like their link, where you can get it, my code, and all of that stuff. So make sure you check out all the links in my descriptions, and also pop over to my Instagram to see all the cute pictures of my little one, but also how we're using the FABFITFUN box and just for fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this crazy video with so many jump cuts and babies and dogs everywhere. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.